Hey guys, I'm back. I got another video of this shop fan that I finished. And as you can see, I finished it. Blow it this way now. I have to swap the blade around to get it right. Because I got the grill on it. Finally got the grill and wheels. So I got some wheels and I got the 3-speed switch. Tells you what it is. High, low, medium. So I wired it up. It's got also a 4-speed motor, but I went 3 speeds like a regular box fan, which I do know how to turn it on and swap it. I'm real good at it. And it moves a lot of air now. We're about to turn her on. Let's turn her on. Moves a serious amount of air. Get this fan right here. This is a HVAC. This used to be on an HVAC unit, but it's been put on here. Runs well. Okay, now let's kick it up on medium. We're about to change speeds here. There's medium. Medium now. This is where it sucks in and blows out the air. Now let's kick it up to high. Here we go. Here's high. Motor's been painted, but it's going to be painted patent blue. With the blades, they will be eventually painted patent blue. I like a patent fan. They're really good fans. Some old ones. Oh yeah. We're gonna get the startup noises too, because it has ball bearings, because it's gonna have a long spin down. Here we go. Bearings might not be sounding too good, but it is a ball bearing motor. It's an Emerson motor, by the way. That's on here, because that's what it says on there. It's got the Emerson sticker on there somewhere. Okay, let's kick it on. Low. It's all finished and painted. It's nice. I'll show you the features after this. Okay. Now medium. This is when it gets to instant torque. Now high. Wait. Instant startup. Now I do have a startup noise, which I'll do right now. And yes, it has features that you might like. It has wheels this time, and it's got a removable cage for servicing. And it has a cord wrapper right here. This is where you wrap your cord. It's got a really long cord. The yellow one is the cord. The other cord's going to that fan over there. It does move a massive amount of air. So Subscribe to Jordan U. Subscribe to all the people that are fan people out there, because this is one of the greatest fans out there. Subscribe to Jordan U and Tour de Fan Man and Spots Bear, all of them. Subscribe to all of them. Fan Craze, everyone. I absolutely loving y'all, and y'all are amazing. Y'all don't know I'm not a kid. I'm actually, it's my voice. I'm an adult. But as you know, I'm a really great guy. I know what I'm doing. This is my electrical wired. I can show you how neat I got it too before I do go. This is not that neat, but it's neat enough. It works. I mean, it's perfectly wired, so that way it won't screw up. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.